So we have these wonderful banknotes that and box. See, this one is from Peru. It says 100 intis or 100 intis. It's the date is 1987. So June 26, 1987. The printing of this coin or this banknote. 100 intis, very nice. First time I've seen this banknote, and it's uncirculated as well. So you can see, very crispy. And this one, Banco Central de Bolivia. Oh wow, okay. 1,000 pesos, 1,000 pesos Bolivianos. Very nice. And the date for this is 1982. Very nice, very nice combing of his hair, eh? Okay, this is the coat of arms of Bolivia. Banco Central de Bolivia, 1,000 pesos Bolivianos. Very nice. Casa del Liberty House. Very nice. Wow, Guyana. Okay, $1. Very crispy as well. $1. I don't see any year it was printed, but it have a very nice color and portraits. Very nice. $1. Thomas de la Rue Company Limited. So it's been printed in the United Kingdom. Nice one. $1. Brazil. Okay, 5 cruceros. I like Brazilian coins as well, and this one I like as well. As you can see, it have a security portrait here, eh? Security. I don't know the year though. If you know the year, please do comment. So maybe Mr. Roberto Catalan is watching, and Senor Roberto knows a lot of course, I think he's from Brazil. He knows a lot of error coins and different banknotes as well, and stamps. So if you know what year this one is printed, please let us know. From Brazil, very nice. I like it, and I like Brazil coins as well, especially the bimetallic ones. Very nice. Oh, okay. So 50 pengo. 50 pengo. Yes, it is from Hungary, I think. Hungary. Hungary, yes. See, the date is 1823, 1849. It is that old, I guess. Maybe. I'm not sure. See, looks very old. If you know how old is this banknote, just let us know. Oh, okay, I see now. 1932, Budapest, Hungary. 1932, very nice. It's a big one, eh? It's a nice portraits as well. You'll see as well the coat of arms. Hungary. Very nice portrait. Yeah, I like Hungary with Mr. Orban on the President Orban on the helm. Very good man. So this is a 500 pengo, also from Hungary. 500 pengo. I don't know. I am looking at the date. Maybe it have a date here somewhere. Maybe it's here. Ooh, wow. Okay, look at that. Very nice portrait. Very nice. Very nice. See the coat of arms here. 500 pengo, and oh, okay, it's Budapest, 1945. So it is one old banknote as well. 1945, the end of World War II. And you can see very nice portrait. Wow. Okay, this one is gallant. Very nice. It's 10 pengo. Okay. Oh, it's from Hungary as well. Very nice. 10 pengo. Wow, nice portraits. And it is from the year 1936. 1936 Budapest, Hungary, 10 pengo. It's Virgin Mary with the child Jesus. And this one, I don't know whose portrait is this, but it is very beautiful. Beautiful banknote, very nice. I didn't know what what's inside of this thing because I didn't know it was shipped all in all. So I bought it separately, but from time to time it will be shipped. It will be shipped together, and then I will be refunded the shipping fee. And it is from one of the seller in Trade Me that I always buy. I always buy coins and banknotes with them. They're very good people. In Trade Me, Sharich. If you see if you're looking for banknotes and coins, they're the people to buy to. So I hope you like these banknotes. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. Have a good day.